Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn off caller ID on a Nokia 105. So when you make calls, if you don't want your identity to be seen, then you want to head into the menu, and now we're in the menu, you want to come all the way down to the settings here, and want to go into that. Then you want to come down to call settings, and want to go into that. Now we're in the call settings, and you want to come all the way down to send my caller identity. And you can see it's currently on, so we want to go into that, and you want to come down to off, and then press the middle button, and it'll be confirmed we've done. And now send my caller identity is off, so now whenever you make a call, your identity will not be sent to that person. So that is how to turn off caller ID on a Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and don't forget to check out this playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.